Hi everyone, Kevin here. Sorry I haven't been around for, I think it's been 2 weeks, something like that. Kids have been sick, life happens. I got to get back to making videos. But tonight, all right, is our Marshmallow on the Stick challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and go live here at about 7 p.m., I guess. And, well, let's make it 8 o'clock. We'll do 8 o'clock. It'll be easier, I think. Give everybody a chance to get ready and do what they need to do. All right. So at 8 o'clock, I'll try and go live, and I'll get a can, and I'll put all the names in the can. We'll shake it up. I'll pull it out. Whoever happens to get pulled out of the hat is going to win chainsaw carving, is going to win owl carving. So if you definitely did make a marshmallow, I'll try and post some of those later on also. We'll see what some of you guys came up with. It was pretty cool. All right. And I'll ship you a chainsaw carving. Now make sure you put your name in. All right. I do have a couple of email addresses. It's kind of hard to pull that out of a hat. I don't know who it's going to. I just got an email address and not a name. So make sure you put your name in when you email those in. So it's going to be at 8 o'clock. Look for me to go live. I'll do the drawing. If you miss it, it'll come up later on anyway. And you make sure you check and see if you won or not. If you do win, I'm going to need your address, okay, to ship it to you. I'll show you a picture here about of the owl. All right. I only have one or two things this week. I had put the owl away because I wanted to use at least a decent owl that I had made earlier. I put that away for the challenge, so it's going to be an owl. Okay, so I hope to see you later on, and we'll see who wins. All right, see you at 8 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hopefully we can get back to doing some carvings now that things settle down here a little bit, and we'll get back to making some cool stuff. See you guys then. Bye-bye.